Hey guys, I'm 2 years into my degree and 2 more years to go. I'm heading into year 3 of my degree and it's time to choose some courses and plan ahead to make sure I can finish everything in the next 2 years. In just a minute, I will show you which courses I'm taking. If you are new to my channel, I'm Julia, and here I share my journey on becoming a physics student after quitting my job in finance where I worked for the last 7 years. My goal is to inspire others to build a community of people who would like to grow personally and professionally, to overcome fear and doubt, and just go for it. Please consider subscribing to join the crowd so that you know what I'm up to. When choosing the courses, I'm trying to find a balance between making sure I can finish my degree within the 4 years total and also to make sure that the workload is not too much for me, given my situation. From the experience, I can tell that 3 courses per semester is the sweet spot for me. Anything more than that, up to that point, was too much. And despite that, I never learned from my mistakes. I still tried adding on 4th course on top every semester I registered for courses. Thankfully, last year I learned to drop the courses before the revision deadline so that I didn't have to pay for them. But this upcoming year is not different. Every semester that I planned for at this point has 4 courses in it. My hope is that I can do it this time because my math skills are quite a bit better and I'm no longer playing catch-up games with math and physics concepts, and I think I can handle it. Also, my study habits seem to have improved because my last semester was quite a bit better than all the other ones. The reason for those extra courses each semester is that I really want to take some programming classes. These are not explicitly programming, but more so something related to that and also connected to my physics degree. Because what I found is that programming or some coding skills plus physics make an excellent team, and I hope that this will also help me to get better job prospects afterwards. So here we go.
Okay guys, so now this is how I usually plan my classes and my coursework for each year. So year 3 looks like this according to my plan, and year 4 is just a rough outline of what I think I still need to take. This might change. Some of the courses are mandatory, something like honors lab, classical mechanics, quantum 3 are all courses that I have to take, and computational physics and advanced optics are the classes that I want to take. They are electives, but I still need to take some of the 4th level courses, of course, so that's what I'm thinking at the moment. Back to year 3, you can see that I'm taking E&M 1, Mathematical Physics 2, which is a theoretical physics course, and multivariable calculus as my core courses. I have to take them, and computational modeling is the course in somewhat programming but related to physics. And the next semester in winter, I'm taking quantum 2, E&M 2, and classical thermodynamics and computational algebra. And again, computational algebra is the course somewhat related to programming because it involves all of the math that is needed for programming, which is linear algebra, calculus. I mean, these are two courses that are prerequisites to take this computational algebra course. Red question marks mean that if I will have any trouble to keep up with the workload, these will be the courses to go first. And I can't go below the 3-year course per semester because then that will drop me to the part-time student. And this is not what I want, and this is not how I can get my degree because I am required to take at least 3 courses per semester to be able to be still considered a full-time student, as well as it is very important for me to get my school grants. One thing to mention that E&M 1 and multivariable calculus are the courses that I'm choosing to retake. I have these courses and I have the grade for these courses in my transcript, and a decent grade actually for each of them. But it was 15 years ago when I took them last, and I don't remember anything. So I think that retaking these courses will really help me to succeed and to get better at what I do, Because I know that last time I retook a Calculus 2 course in the fall of the previous year, it really helped me to get on top of my math. I really hope that I could fit all of the courses into either Tuesday, Thursday slots or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so that I wouldn't have to commute every single day to the city, because commute takes at least an hour for me, or actually hour and a half if you count everything in. But that's okay. I can deal with this. I'll just treat those days as the working days and stay in school, in the library, and study.
If you want to check out more on how my last semester went, there's a video right here. Or if you want to get inspired, this is video for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and comment below what you're up to. And if you're a student, I would like to know which courses are you taking in the upcoming school year. Always remember, change is hard in the beginning, messy in the middle, worth it at the end. Never stop learning.